Gala Games aims to take the gaming industry in a different direction by giving players back control over their games. Gala Games' mission is to make blockchain games you'll actually want to play. The project wants to change the fact that players can spend hundreds of dollars on in-game assets, and countless hours spent playing the game, which could be taken away from them with the click of a button. It plans to reintroduce creative thinking into games by giving players control of the games and in-game assets with the help of blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games within the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Node's voting mechanism allows players to influence what games Gala should develop and what games should get funding. Besides buying NFTs for specific games, Gala Games also utilizes Gala, its own utility token. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users, and 26,000 NFTs have been sold, with the most expensive piece valued at $3 million. This is cryptocurrency worldwide. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. Founded by Eric Skiermeyer back on July 21, 2019, Gala Games is a gaming platform that is combined with non-fungible tokens, NFT, with an aim to develop an ecosystem of blockchain games that enables players to trade and own game items with anyone on a global level, and at any time of course. In other words, Gala Games focus on taking the entire gaming industry in a completely different direction altogether by giving players control back over their game. As per the platform's website, the mission of Gala Games is to make blockchain games you'll actually want to play. Basically, Gala Games want to make a change in the community regarding the fact that players are able to spend hundreds of dollars on gaming assets, and those countless hours that they spend playing the game, which can then be taken away with just a push of a button. Therefore, the project wants to provide players with control of the games as well as the in-game assets, while reintroducing the entire concept of creative thinking into the games, all with the help of blockchain technology. Also, Gala is known to be the native utility token of the platform, which has several uses including network governance, node operator incentives, in-game rewards for players being a part of the games available on the platform. It can also be used as an in-game currency in order to purchase NFTs and items in the Gala store. Talking about NFTs, you must be thinking that what role do NFTs play in the entire process? Basically, players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and will be able to influence the governance of the games within the ecosystem of the Gala Games. The node's voting mechanism introduced by the founder of the platform enables players on the platform to influence as to what games should get the funding, as well as what games should the platform focus on developing. Play-to-earn gaming as well as NFTs are two of the most hottest trends in the cryptocurrency marketplace as of now because of the fact that each presents new avenues for attracting new users, and the special characters of each category allow players to generate income rather than having to do expenditure in order to become a part of the community. Back to the line, Gala Games being a blockchain-focused gaming platform enables its users to make use of their unique NFT characters while in the game, and seeing its potential, and the project making significant gains, Binance too has announced its plans to list the Gala token on its platform. Besides just purchasing non-fungible tokens for specific games, as mentioned previously, Gala Games are also able to utilize its very own utility token as well. Talking about the games available on the platform, it is worth mentioning that so far Gala Games has been able to introduce just one playable game known as Town Star along with a series of NFT collectibles, Vox, while planning on releasing many more games in the coming future including an RPG game, a tower defense game, as well as a sci-fi strategy game. Since the platform was first introduced back in the 2019 model year, Gala Games has grown to over 1.3 million active users on a monthly basis, and nearly 26,000 NFTs have already been sold, with the most costly piece priced at $3 million. Not to mention, as of today the Gala Games team comprises of 60 employees. So, what makes Gala Games special? Unlike others, Gala Games is not just a single game, but rather is a collection of several blockchain games which put fun first and blockchain in the background. Vox on the other hand is a set of NFT avatars on Gala Games. Also, it is worth mentioning that each Vox is unique and different from all the others, and some are even rare. Also, a major factor when it comes to game development is the feedback from the community. Gala Games is known to regularly interact and try out new assumptions over Discord with their community, thus allowing players to shape the design and direction of the games. Apart from that, users on the platform can also run Gala nodes, which is known to support the Gala network, and in return, the users receive rewards such as limited edition NFTs, Gala, and many other opportunities as well. The Gala node ecosystem consists of something known as a triple-proof node system comprising of proof of work, POW, proof of storage as well as proof of stake, POS. POW is referred to as founder nodes, which are Tier 1 nodes that are based on nearly 50,000 fully owned NFTs. These consist of early supports of the project which will be receiving NFTs from all games, and Gala will be allocated to their node license as well. Whereas, POS is paid nodes, known to operate for particular games with the help of smart contract rental design layout. And lastly, what makes Gala nodes even special are proof of storage or free nodes that are known to allow the games to be entirely hosted on the node ecosystem, thus removing reliance of games from centralized hosting solutions such as Amazon S3. The live Gala price today is $0.187822 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $717,316,957 USD. Gala is down 8.14% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 64, with a live market capital of $1,310,472,032 US dollars. It has a circulating supply of 6,977,205,436 Gala coins, and the maximum supply is not available. If you would like to know where to buy Gala, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Gala stock are currently Binance, OKX, FTX, Huobi Global, and Bybit.